The story above the clouds. One calm day, Miaou, a girl living on the outskirts of town, was looking up at the sky. She always dreamed of flying in the sky, looking for a mysterious world that lived above the clouds. Then, on a sunny afternoon, a white rabbit suddenly appeared in front of me. Miaou! Follow me, the rabbit screamed. Although she was surprised, she decided to follow the rabbit. The rabbit took her over a small hill, crossed a sparkling river, and finally reached the top of a big cloud. Above the clouds, colorful flowers were blooming, and the breeze was blowing comfortably. People were flying around freely like birds flying in the sky, laughing happily. Miaou was captivated by the scene and wanted to be friends right away. "Welcome to the land of clouds and Kanata," the prince of the kingdom of clouds greeted me. He welcomed Miaou with a smile and told me the secret of the country of clouds. In this country, dreaming becomes a reality. So, your wish may also come true. Miaou took a walk in the country of clouds with Kanata while her heart was excited. There were a lot of dream adventures, flying in the sky and crossing the Rainbow Bridge. Miaou remembered what she really wanted. It was that the people of the world were happy. "Let's do our best together to make everyone's dreams come true," Miaou proposed to Kanata. The two worked together and joined forces with the residents of the country of clouds to start a project to make people's dreams come true. However, one day, a storm came to the country of clouds. Thunder and strong winds blew, and people's dreams almost disappeared. Miaou felt scared, but Kanata said, "It's okay. If we all work together, we will surely be able to overcome it," I said. Miaou believed in the hope in her heart, joined hands with her friends, and faced the storm. They sang songs together and believed in a bright future. At that moment, the storm calmed down, and a rainbow appeared on the clouds. After the storm left, the country of clouds was brighter than before. Miaou felt the joy of being able to make her dream come true with her friends. Kanata said, "Miaou, the strength of your heart has guided everyone. Thank you." And I expressed my gratitude. Miaou learned how important dreams are through her adventure in the country of clouds. When she left the country of clouds, she promised, "I will definitely come back again, and this time to make my dream come true." When she returned to the ground, her heart was full of memories of the country of clouds. And one day, I dreamed of flying again, and a new adventure began. An end.